Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called online reputation management. Online reputation management means you have to search about your brand name or product or services or about yourself in Google search result whether somebody is talking negatively about you or somebody is talking positively about you. So you have to respond properly and you have to come up with more positive reviews and you have to overcome the negative comments, negative reviews. You should act on it and you should engage with your customers so that you can get your brand reputation intact. Now, this is not an easy task. The first thing that you have to research well to find out what are the negative things roaming around your brand on the internet. So, for that, what we need to do, we need to search in Google with sort of keywords. For example, we search here, say Rajabhadra, say fraud. So we see different kind of complaint board, consumer complaints. So you have to go to each of them. You have to see what type of complaints and negative comments are there, and you have to proactively answer them properly. You have to take right kind of actions, and then you have to request them to give a positive review if you have already resolved this problem. This is one way of searching. So you have to search with different kind of negative words like fraud, like scam, like cheat, like complaints, like like bad, like worst, poor surveys. So this kind of negative words you have to search. So we open a ppt here. So how to check? By manual search, search with your brand or company name plus bad, worst, scam, fraud, cheat, negative reviews, unhappy, disappointed, unsatisfied, complaint, stupid, dumb, fake, like this, and check the search result up to 10 to 15 pages. So you have to check this result page up to 10-15 pages. Not only that, you have to check with different social media like Facebook, like Google Plus, like Twitter, like LinkedIn, where people are talking about this kind of negative things or not. There are certain tools that we can check up. So the first one is Google Alert. You type here with Google Alert and you see the URL. So this is the URL. You have to click on this. You have to log in with your Gmail ID. Then you can see here like this kind of alerts. So you can search anything over here. So this is your dashboard for alerts. Now you search with say 7 boats, the brand name. Now you can see the options and you can see how often you want to get it, and the sources you can see different sources. So we can see the set the automatic sources, language, then region, then how many, only the best results. If you see want to see all results, then you can keep it all results and deliver to your email ID, and then you can create alert. So accordingly you can get mails with new things, new stuffs coming up, and accordingly you have to answer them. Now online reputation management is not about writing fake positive reviews. Online reputation management is a serious thing that you have to respond to your customers grievances and you have to take serious action against it. You have to solve it, and in cases if the problem is not, the complaint is not valid, then you have to show them with proof, and then you have to publish it frankly without deleting or hiding the negative comments, so that other people they can take a right kind of decision out of it. Also you have to check with different review sites whether people are giving positive or negative reviews. You have to reply each and every reviews, so that would give you a better customer engagement. Now if we go back to this ppt, we can see there is another tool called gofishdigital.com complaint search. So we open this tool. So this is GoFish Digital. Search all of the complaint of website at once. You have to put your keyword here with the brand name, and then you can search and you can get some results. So this is another good tool. Apart from that, we have already discussed about Google Alert. There is another tool called Buzz Bundle. You can also check it. And this is a good link where you can check. So different other tools for online reputation management, so you can check it out here. Search engine land is a quite prominent online portal for different search engine news. So you see 5 free deep reputation management checking tools. So number one is called Uber Suggest, second one is iftree.com, third one is complaint site search, fourth one is imageradar.com, and the fifth one is noem.com. So these are the 5 free tools you can use for your online reputation management. Apart from that, now you can see what to do next. You have to answer the negative reviews if valid. Then you start microblogging with explanation and action. So what is microblogging? That means you have to go with free blogging platforms like Tumblr, like wordpress.com, like blogspot.com, and there are plenty other like livejournal.com. There are plenty other microblogging sites where you can put the answers, the explanations of the negative comments. You can also invite other users, other customers who are happy to write reviews for you, positive reviews about you. And if you see negative comment and it is not a valid comment, then you can also go for a DMCA takedown. So Digital Millennium Copyright Act. So there is a website called dmca.com. You can go there and you can prepare a takedown notice there. If it is not valid, so dmca.com, you can go there and you can file your copyright and legal notice about DMCA takedown. So apart from that, you have to do the SEO for all the positive reviews and microbloggings you are doing. So we have already discussed about how to do SEO. You have to write proper keyword, you have to do proper keyword research, you have to write unique content, and also you have to do link building for popularity buildup, and you can create your link pyramid and link wheel, and in that way you have to boost your all the new URLs, that positive reviews and the microblogs you are writing, so that they can outrank all the negative reviews, and in the first page, in the first 1 to 3 pages, your positive reviews would come at top and the negative reviews would be suppressed down the below the pages of say fourth or fifth or sixth pages. So this is a time consuming task, so we have to check whether how many negative reviews you are getting from different, what are the different URLs, and accordingly you have to put your effort to do SEO for all these new microblogs. But normally we say reputation management is an ongoing task, and normally for creating an impact of your online reputation by sidelining the negative reviews, it will take around 3 to 6 months to get into the top page results with positive reviews. But again, it depends on the type of websites you are getting negative reviews from. If it's a media, big media company, or any newspaper, leading newspaper, then it would be a bit difficult for you to do the SEO and bringing the microbloggings and other positive reviews above of it. But yes, there is always a way out. If you try hard, if you do things on a continuous basis, obviously you would get more and more positive reviews on the top of the page. Now we go to some other tools here. So you see other tools is Tracker, Names, Brandzai, Rancor, Social Mention, Ice Rocket, and Topsy. You can search in Google with these names and you can get some good information out of it. So this is called online reputation management. This is the tools and techniques you have to do, and you can bring the results. For example, you see here what we have done. So if you search with Rajabhadra fraud, so what happens that you see the first result is Vivgear Group Rajabhadra is no fraud and no scam. So slide share. So this is the top result is coming with the fraud, that this is no fraud and no scam. Now you see again, these are the negative. Now you see Rajabhadra is no fraud and no scam. Again see you trusted and reputed. Again you see Rajabhadra is not a cheat. So you get a mix kind of things over here. So this would give users to see both side of the coins. Now if you are not doing online reputation management, what happens in the first page, all the reviews would be negative, and it would give you the business a serious, it would hamper your business seriously. So online reputation management is very important, and try to improve this over the time. It's an ongoing task, and this way you can keep your brand reputation intact and gradually make it better. Thank you.